So yeah, guys, I just exposed myself, but you don't have to see my school. Here's my school timetable. It's yeah, I'm going to school still. Yes. Monday, Sunday. You understand that all, okay? So I'm gonna go here. Fun. God. So yeah, guys, this video is I'm beating my little cousin because he was talking so much smack about me. He was like, "Oh my God, you're so trash." He was saying I'm trash and all after seeing one of my videos. Now I'm gonna beat his. This is kid friendly, so I'm not saying that word.
He's quite friendly, but I am consider that even though he said that to me. So
I'm not trying to be rude to him. He's actually as I don't.
I don't care. It was like just a game. Like just a...
So I'm gonna beat him up in this game because he was talking smack about me.
I don't care. I'm just a kid.
He's not a kid. He's 8 years old.
No, I'm literally 16 years old.
I am 16.
Bro, I'm actually 6.
He's in grade 2. I'm in grade 6.
I'm in grade 1.
He's in grade 1 turning 7 this year. I'm in grade 6 turning 11.
And then I don't care if I lost because it's just a game. So
Last time I played with him, I cooked him so hard he started crying.
last time I cooked him so bad that you were like
He has never cooked me in his life. He's always lost matches.
Log in, bruh. Who told you to off the app? I don't have connection.
So as soon as he gets the chance and he starts celebrating, I'll start cooking some more. Cries. He's so gay, I know, right? Make him think he's more than cook him dad.
Shut up. I don't like and subscribe to him.
By the way, guys, like and subscribe. I'm gonna cook my little brother so hard. It's my little cousin actually. I'm gonna cook him so hard. We're gonna play frontline. Okay. First half, I'll let him get a lot of kills on me. Second half, I'll get double the kills. By the way, guys, face reveal at 10,000 subs.
Don't.
And off cut.
Hmm?
And off cut.
Don't subscribe.
He's dumb.
He's dumb.
He's very dumb. Lights off.
And he doesn't even know how to off fan or light.
Yeah.
And he doesn't know even how to talk.
My little cousin's so bad. He eats his own boogers. He has no idea. I'm cutting him out. Shit, my bad, gang. I'm in. I'm. taken 3 years to join, but he finally joined. Frontline. Kinda. No. Download the map. I don't want to make you guys wait, so I'm just gonna pause it. So yeah, guys, he downloaded it. Woohoo! He's not gay. Maybe. Ooh, what gun? What guys? I'm gonna use my Tanger, man. Tundra settings. This is what I have right now. Yes. I'm just gonna keep that here. 7 years. Oh, much better. Oh no, we got first kill. You guys remember the plan. I already know what he is, but like. Headshot. Actually, nah, let's not try to cook him. You're such a egg. Actually, I'm not gonna do that tactic I guys told you. Sorry.
I don't have a sniper, brother. Brother, I don't have a sniper.
Oh my god, he's gonna go up there. Oh my god, he jumped and I shot him. Damn! He's so apt from Friendly Bird. Hip fire! Hip fire! I love hip fire, man. Hip fire, save my life.
Come in my base. You didn't talk to me, see me through.
Look at his and mine. Oh no, so sad. Guys, should I? I will.
Keep fighting.
Oh man, I didn't get any kills. My phone is slide. Is he blind? La. Oh no. I have execution rights, man. Don't scream, boy.
But can you use only knife?
Nah,
Please!
I don't have knife. I only have 2 guns.
Just use the worst gun.
My worst gun is my best gun.
I couldn't.
Fine, I changed my gun. You want me to change my gun?
Into your worst.
He wants me to change my gun into my worst gun. Should I, guys?
Yes. Please, I'm poor, bro.
Oh my god, I would have shot him. Man, he wants me to use my worst guns. Baby. I'll use my worst sniper. My second best sniper. Now my third best.
Where are you?
Oh no, Miwan. You're so good.
So cool, right?
No, Miwan. Miwan. I gave you the kill. Because I felt sad. I know where you are now. I shoot a bomb on you, so I know where you are. Oh, guys. You see my tactic? You see?
I'll just use knife for you to protect me. Second in the mind.
Oh no. No, I missed my shot.
I am glitch and glitch. I'm glitch and I'm glitch. I'm glitch and you are glitch. And I you get out. You get out. You get out. You get out.
Let's go, I did the trick.
You get out. You get out.
He's screaming.
You get out. 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 I am crouching. I am crouching. Oh shoot.
Oh no, yes please, I ran. I'm just gonna wait it out, I guess. I killed you. He's crying in his bedroom.
Brother, I'm crying, brother.
You see that?
We're almost there. Keep it up.
I'm trying to shoot you. I'm trying to shoot you with a special gun I made. Where is he? I missed my shot. Hey guys.
Lord, how did I already get
That's it, Baba, you're dead.
time to use special talent with my knife?
Wait. Guys, watch this. The first. Huh.
Ow!
My bomb does very good damage. Mian, મારું ગન બોમ્બ શૂટ કરે હું તને બોમ્બ થી શૂટ કરું ને મારું બીજું બોમ્બ ઈ બોમ્બ ને એક્સપ્લોડ કરાવે. God mode activated. This is the orange one. I shoot him with this first, then I'll switch bomb. He'll die. How did I not shoot it?
You died you on with your own bomb. Oh shit!
This is family friendly. I win.
Can we run one more round? I like this. Huh?
Enemy contact.
Yeah! Hey! Don't do it, guys! Don't like and subscribe. Just tell them to let me get my own, huh? What? Hey, stop it, guys! Don't do it. I am small. And he has to do something for me. He never does anything for me. Don't listen to him. Please, 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 please,
Guys.
please.
Guys, if you understand what I'm saying, you have to like and subscribe.
You understand that?
Do you understand it, Yogi?
No!
Shut up.
Shut your ass.
This is family friendly and he's 6 years old. You see what? You see what he's doing?
Hey, ready up.
I'm not in your match, little bruh. Stop that, Pedro. His device just fell.
It's not a device. Just like that, brother. Hey, what is this? What is this? Come with
I ain't talking.
me. Come.
Chill out, gang.
I'm gangster.
The gang does not mean gangster. You're so weird.
I'm gangster.
Oh boy.
I'm gangster. I'm gangster. Eh? I leave.
So did I. Ooh, you can. Free pack. What's this? So when I don't wanna share my. It's your exchange of 90. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. Stop it. Ooh, let's go, man. Looks like I have to switch one of my weapons for M4, I guess.
Join me.
I don't wanna. I see the and my thing, my change, my PS4. I really want it changing now. MGS. I'll switch this for wild card overkill. Perfect, this is what I wanted. Oh, I do have a very cool skin for this. Oh, whew. Damn. So good loadout. So is this. What's this? Damn! What the hell is this? I guess I could just my bag. Private. Front line, yes. Loadout. Okay, I'm gonna make this max 99999. Done 200. Okay. 12,000. Damn. Cool. Ammo straight. No. Okay. I'll go down. Front line. What map? Get out. I don't want to tell him any shit, so I'll be on now. Ooh, start. Come on. Family friendly word.
I didn't get a new character. I just unlocked it.
I have Ghost. He has the base recon.
I just bought that.
I also have recon. I have recon, by the way. Recon is the best skin.
Guys, if you hear this, don't like subscribe.
Why didn't he kill me? I still don't know. How did he come so fast? I am the sick.
Please, can you please how you get code? Not use that code, please.
No, I'm gonna use my best guns. My best guns. My best guns. My best guns. You know you can use other guns other than your knife.
They don't use guns, please.
Yes. Oh no, he kills me. This is one of the best scripts. Oh my god, he's so trash. I'm gonna say that family friendly word. Right.
I jumped over your bullet.
If he comes, maybe I'll shoot him. Oh god, he's only using knife. You know what? I'm gonna steal his knife and kill him with it.
Huh?
Kill him with his own knife. He's so bad. Oh my, oh. I'll let you execute me, I'll let you execute me. Just blink. Nothing. I said nothing.
I couldn't move.
Sorry, not sorry. I don't know what to say. Gucci gang. I swear if I get a nuke on him, he's more than due to water. He's ultra matrix due to water. If I get a nuke on him, he's ultra matrix due to water.
Why are you dying?
You're not shooting me. Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm too lagged. Oh my god, he was lagging so hard. I swear, if I get a nuke on him, you have to subscribe. If I get a nuke on this guy, you have to subscribe. He was trash talking me so hard right now. But now look at him. He's saying, oh my god, he's so... Now look at him. He's begging on his knees to be popular. Backing down, cheese. He thinks I'm dumb. I headshot him.
I'm telling you, go up your stairs.
Oh my god, man, like... Ooh! What's this, guys?
Hey, I ordered that.
Here. Here,
So I
and
need
here.
to wait here first.
Lightning
Why
strike.
did you
Headshot.
I told you not to do an aeroplane.
Yeah, aeroplane na to. हाँ ये मारो UAV और टूटेगी तो है ना बड़ो pieces flying गया. Man, I don't have any ammo. Shit, I don't have any ammo. I have to kill him, take his gun.
I can't jump.
I have to kill him and take his gun. Oh my god, he has no ammo. Oh, I need ammo. Otherwise I can't get this nuke.
You want my gun?
Please मत आओ gun use कर मैंने gun join
Okay.
if you don't use gun I'll kill you use gun or else I'll kill you again you know this is going to help you he's gonna be so annoyed you need guns to kill it
Contact with enemy.
oh no he killed me man I lost my nuke streak but I killed him again finally ammo I've been waiting to get some it feels good like Gucci gang you know yeah you can't be straight he's going to stay there forever until you kill him the machine oh where are you oh he's bad I'm bad I'm not using sniper
But I need a sniper.
now my fault you don't carry snipers oh my god bro like he's trying to it's not a bad idea like I'll kill him with my ballistic this I'll kill him with a ballistic I'm good. Oh, that has one bullet. This has better. Oh my god, I shot him with that. Oh my god, I'm too good. I shot you with the bullet knife.
Oh!
You know, chopper gunner, here I come.
Friendly stealth chopper inbound.
What the?
मियान वही हो जा सर तने खाली इन्हें शूट करवाना
How?
ये ऊपर
You
बांध
can only do that.
No, everyone can.
Look, I shot it.
આટલા બધા તારી પાસે આરપીજી છે ને ઓલું રોકેટ લોન્ચર you should you have to use rocket launcher to kill it
Yeah.
only rocket launcher can kill very fast बाकी स्लो हो जाता
I don't have.
Contact with enemy.
for you now you have to kill oh no it went away already already where are you
Oh, good that I even got this.
man bro man you want me to use a bad gun very bad gun okay this is my USS very good gun
Hey, you know bad.
I'll use a shotgun as well
Then I'll use a.
I'll use the harbor in this it's good what is you bro trying to do like chill out
Why
man
are you using my gun?
it's my gun
Huh?
it's my gun
Oh my god.
I paid money for it what do you mean it's your gun everyone clearly sees it in my loadout
Wait, please, let me kill you.
sure kill him with a D13 this one shot as soon as he comes I'll shoot him oh god man I'm so ass oh my god just 2 years ooh this is a good loadout I'll insta kill oh look at this grenade I got from roll bam my god, bro. Like he's using my gun. He's that bad. He's that dumb
Keep
bad.
fighting.
Oh, that.
Did Jim kill himself or some shit? It's my shotgun. It shoots grenade.
What the?
It's very good. I know.
Come here and don't kill me.
I don't know who you are.
Monkey.
Where's that? Database muscle.
Let's stay there. I just want to go up again. Okay, Luis, don't kill me. Going up. Hey! I'm going up. Wait.
I don't care. I'm also going up.
Huh?
I'm going up.
Are you using my gun?
It's my gun.
But what is that gun? How did you get 30 points?
You got 5.
Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me.
I don't know where you are.
When I'm right in the middle, don't kill me.
Oh God, I know you're going to kill me. Why should I not kill you?
I'm not trying to kill you.
Says I've given him 82 chances.
Oh, damn.
Man, this gun's so good. This loadout amazing. હું ઉપર છું ક્રાઉચ કરું છું. હું ઉપર ક્રાઉચ કરું છું. I know I'm lying. હું ક્રાઉચ કરતો હતો પણ ઉપર નહીં. હું ક્રાઉચ કરતો હતો પણ ઉપર નહીં. હવે હું ઉપર ક્રાઉચ કરું છું. My God, you're so bad. I was up there. I came down to kill you.
Where?
I was up here. I was ऊपर. ऊपर હતો.
I shot you.
You
Can I
missed.
jump down? Can I shoot you? Just jump down. Okay, jump. Jump, dude.
I already did.
I told you to jump.
I did
No.
jump. Oh, मैं लेग उड़ने नीचे ऊपर.
Don't do that.
હવે હું નીચે જ છું.
Again.
અને ઉપર નથી જવું. મેં ઉપર બોરિંગ લાગે છે.
Please, will you?
Okay, I'll stay up in my base.
Forever.
Forever. હું ઉપર જ રહીશ. હું એકવાર નીચે આવું છું ખાલી બુલેટ્સ લેવા.
Are you going to stay there with me?
Maybe. Nah, I'd rather do it. I'm changing my spot. I told you I'm changing my spot. મેં તને બોલ્યો તો મારું સ્પોટ ચેન્જ કરું છું.
Then tell me where you're gonna be.
Why? I'm in your base. I'm in your base.
I can't go in.
See? Told you. I'm in your base.
I'm good.
look at his skills and look at mine. Like, chill out, gang. Chill gang. Top there or some shit. Oh, my screen froze, man. Like, chill out, gang. My screen frozen, shit. No, your mom did not freeze my screen. I mean, I'm not telling you where I'm going. I'm not telling you where I'm going, and I'm gonna go be everywhere. એવું શું ડ્રીમ કરો હંમેશા
પછી હું ટ્રાય કરતી હતી કે મારા દ્વિજ ને કોને કેટલા કરી લીધું મને આપી દે પાછો આપી દે પછી મને ફોન મને પૈસા આપો તો દ્વિજ ને નહીં આપો એવું મને ડ્રીમ
Flamethrower. Oh my god. That was a flamethrower for nothing. Flamethrower क्या? I'm staying in your base only. Oh no, you pay me. Man, I'm using very good gun, I'm sorry. Man, throw bombs. મારી પર બોમ્બ થ્રો કરવાનું તને ખબર છે ને bombs નથી જોઈ શકતો bombs don't kill me bombs don't kill me મારી પાસે એક રોબોટ છે બધા બોમ્બ્સ ને ડિસ્ટ્રોય કરે બધાને પાસે પણ છે તારી પાસે પણ છે પણ તું યુઝ નથી કરતો જો બોમ્બ મને કિલ નો કર્યો
Don't kill me, don't kill me, don't kill me, don't.
If you shoot me even one time, I'll kill you.
Huh?
You have flamethrower.
Huh?
Yeah. Oh no, when you didn't have flamethrower.
You have flamethrower. Huh?
Yeah, I had flamethrower, so I didn't want to kill you with flamethrower, so I killed you with this.
Don't kill me right now.
Oh my god, bro, is so bad. Oh my god, my guy, your ass. Family friendly word, I mean. Guys, I'm gonna sign off after this match. No, actually, I'm gonna sign off. You guys should get to bed. I know I'm gonna be watching these videos at like 2 p.m. So get to bed. I'm gonna still play, but like off the video, like you know, I mean, like offline play.
Wait, let me win.
No.
Let me